Welcome students. Today we're going to do the first capstone project of Microsoft Excel, that is Vitality Bank Excel Module 1 to 4 SAM Capstone Project A. You can see the title of this project, and if you want me to do this project for you or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Business Analytics, Finance related projects, just text me on the WhatsApp, and you can also email me, and I will give you the ready to submit file within next few hours, and it's very economical service, so you are just a text away. Moving to the first step, that is, let me have a look how many steps it has. It has a total of 23 project steps, and at the end we have the screenshot of the projects, how it will look like at the end. So it's going to be a lengthy project. I will try to cover it step by step, okay, so you can just get it done by watching my videos. Step number one is Ariana Vilar is an operations specialist at Vitality Banks in Dallas, Texas. Ariana has created an Excel workbook to summarize budget information for each department in the bank. She asks you to add the formatting, formulas and chart. Okay. Start by changing the theme of the workbook to match the other. Okay, theme of the workbook to Office. To change the theme of the workbook, you need to go to the page layout section, and here in the theme sections you just need to select Office. That's it. The theme over all the sheets have been changed to Office. Moving to step number 2. On the department overview worksheet, format the worksheet subtitle as follows. Okay, department worksheet is this one. Merge and center the content in the range B3 to L3. So I'm going to select the range B3 to L3. I guess it is already selected. Sorry, this was B2. It's a B3 to L3, and we need to merge and center. Okay, for this you need to go to the home tab, and here in the alignment group you will find merge and center. So moving to the part B of the second step, that is change the font size to 14. Since we are already on the subtitles, so make sure that is selected, and then you can increase the font size to 14 from here. Okay, change the height of row 3 to 30 to match the height of the row containing the worksheet title. So this is row number 3, and we have to change the worksheet height to 30. For this you need to right click, first of all select that row, right click that row, and here you can go to the row height and you need to change it to 30. That's it. Now you can see the height has been changed. Moving to step number sorry moving to step number 3, that is change the width of column N so its content automatically fit within the column. Let's see column N. This is column N, and we have to auto fit that column. To auto fit the column, we just need to first select the column, and then point your mouse to the right corner, right border of that column. When this symbol changes to plus, this one, you can just double click it. That's it. Moving to step number 4, that is in cell O3, enter a formula using today function to display the today's date. O3, this is O3. You can see in the address cell. To display the current date, we need to put in formula of equal sign, today, open in close parentheses, press enter, system will show its current date. Moving to step number 5, that is format the range B6 to G6 as follows to match the formatting in the column heading. Okay, B6 to G6. First of all, we need to locate where are the B6. This is B6 to G6. Apply the 40% accent 6 cell style. So apply a cell style, you need to go to the home tab. In the styles group you will find cell styles, and it is 40% accent 6 cell style. This is accent 6, this is 40% accent 6. Apply the bold formatting, and since that is selected, we just need to click B. Now you can see there are no text available in the B6, but since we have formatted the cells, whenever we write something in there, it should have the formatting that we already applied to it. Moving to step number 6, that is Ariana wants you to add the missing data to the employee table. Enter the values shown in the table 1 into corresponding cells in the range D6 to F6. In order to make sure that these values are put correctly, I would like to copy it, and here it is D6. I will paste those values like this. So we are done with the step number 6 as well. Moving to step number 7, that is copy the content in the range I17 to I22. I17 to I22. I am copying it and paste only the values in the range C17 sorry, C7 to C12. So here I will paste those only values like this. That's it. So we are done with step number 7 as well. Moving to step number 8, that is Ariana also wants you to complete the calculations and format the summary table. Enter the turnover percentage information as follows. In cell J7, enter a formula without using a function. So this is J7. Enter a formula without using a function that divides the turnover I7 by G7. So that is equal to I7 divided by G7. So it's the turnover percentage. Fill the range J8 to J12 with the formula in the cell J7. Okay, so I'm just copying it. I think it's asking us J8 to J12. Select the range where you want to put that formula. Go to the paste option, and here you can paste only the formulas. Now moving to step number 9, that is format and complete the turnover percentage as follows. Apply the percentage number format with 0 decimal places to the range J7 to J12. So first of all, I need to select that range J7 to J12. I need to apply the percentage, and now it says it should have 0 decimal places. It is already 0. You can see now it is 1 and it is 0. So we are already on the 0 percentage, 0 decimal places. In cell G13, enter the formula average function to determine the average per turnover percentage. So here in the J13 I will put a formula of average. For this, put an equal sign, type average, and now you have to specify the range. The range is J7 to J12. Close the parentheses and press enter. That's it. Now moving to step number 10, that is, Ariana wants you to highlight the significant values in the summary table in the range J7 to J12. Okay, J7 to J12. Highlight a conditional formatting rule that formats that cells that are greater than 20% as light red fill with dark red text. So I've selected the range. Okay, it says greater than 20%. So for this we need to go to the home tab, styles group, conditional formatting, and here you will go to the greater than. You have to specify 20%, light red fill with dark red text, then press OK. Now all the values above 20% are highlighted with red, light red fill. In the range K7 to K12, use a conditional formatting to add data bars with gradient green data bars. K7 to K12. To apply the data bars, go to the home tab, conditional formatting, data bar, gradient fill, green data bars. That's it. If you're finding it difficult, you can text me with your files, share your files over WhatsApp, and I will complete the assignment for you and send it to you back. Then you can submit it for your grading. Okay, moving to step number 12, that is, in the range L7 to L12, add a top slash bottom conditional formatting rule to format the top 10 percentage values as green fill with dark green text and bottom 10 percentage values as light red fill with dark red text. So L7 to L12 should be selected. Now we have to specify the top 10 percentage and bottom 10 percentage values. For this we need to go to the conditional formatting, top slash bottom values. Here you have to specify the top 10 percentage, and the top 10 percentage should be green fill with dark green text. I guess this one is this. Yeah, and click OK. Now again select it. It is already selected. Again go there, top slash bottom. Now you will select bottom 10%. Now this time you have to specify light red fill with dark red text. So now in this range the top 10 percentage have been green fill, and the bottom 10% has been light red filled. So that's it for 12 step number 12. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I will upload the second part soon if you want me to do, and if you are hesitant to do the next part, just share your files, and believe me, you will get an instant reply, and also you will get the file done within next 2 to 3 hours and get it submitted. And being this, it's a very economical service, you can text me round the clock. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care.